Welcome back to Love All with Angie. Today I'm doing a clean with me and laundry with me upstairs. So I hope you stick around and I hope you enjoy this cleaning motivation. We're getting started in the master bedroom, and the first thing I'm going to do is lay the beds flat and get the bed made up. If you've ever been on the fence about buying an adjustable bed, I would strongly recommend them. They've been a game changer for us. We really love them. You have probably noticed that anytime I go to make the bed, I have to lay them flat first. We really like them. But the first thing I'm going to do is get this bed made.
We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You
Next on my list of things to do is the laundry. Like your house, I'm sure my house is never-ending laundry. I do laundry twice a week. I try to do it on the same days every week. That doesn't always happen, but that's my goal.
touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger.
The furniture doesn't actually need polished today, so I'm just going to use a Swiffer cloth and give everything a wipe down to gather up all that dust and get it off of the furniture and the lamps and the headboard and all of that stuff. If I can actually get it threaded onto the Swiffer. Do you guys ever have this issue, or is it just me? Just me? Okay, well, that does happen to me on a fairly regular basis, I will have to admit, but I do eventually get it on there, and I'm going to dust off all of this furniture.
Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one.
The bathroom's not in bad shape, it's just cluttered and I need to put my things away, so I'm just going to come in here and put my hairbrushes and my blow dryer and my hair products away so the countertop is clean and the room looks presentable. I have a real love-hate relationship with this room. I love that we have a space for the books and a space to do all the crafts. I hate how disgusting the carpet is. And next weekend, that's on my list of things to do.
It sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Time to flip the laundry and get these things folded and on hangers and ready to be put away.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off.
And stay tuned in the future, in the near future, probably, well, I guess I shouldn't say near future. It'll probably be after the holidays, but I want to do a complete office redo. So that's on my list of things to do as well. But in the meantime, again, let's get rid of the clutter, let's get rid of the dust, and let's get things tidied up.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core.
Do you guys put all of your clothes away load by load, or do you do it one at a time? So normally I fold a load and then put the next load in the machine and just do each load as it comes out. And I don't normally put the clothes away until all of the laundry is done, or sometimes I don't put the laundry away. I just leave it on the hangers, and when Phil comes home, he'll put it away. But on this day, I just really wanted to get things, I didn't really want to mess with it, so I kind of let it pile up in baskets in the laundry room before I brought it out and actually got it done. So I didn't hang up or fold the clothes until almost all of the laundry was completely washed. It felt kind of weird, and at first it gave me a lot of free time, but then it took me forever to fold the clothes. So how do you guys do it? I'm curious.
I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
I love the convenience of the cordless, and I love the vacuum tracks on the carpet. Is that something, I know I'm not alone in my love of a clean kitchen sink, but how many of you guys are just obsessed with carpet lines with vacuum tracks? I think they're the most satisfying thing. I absolutely love vacuum tracks.